In this video, we are going to be covering the recipe for a Cubre Libre or a Rum and Coke. In the description below, you can find the recipe and the links to the supplies you'll need to make this drink. To start, we're going to take half the juice from a lime and add it to the glass. A zest of lime added to the glass. 2 ounces of clear rum. And then we'll fill the glass with ice cubes. And we will top the glass off with soda. In this video, we are using a Diet Cola that we created with our SodaStream soda maker. In the description below, you can find a link for the SodaStream maker that we use. To finish a drink, we're going to stir, and voila, you have the perfect Cubre Libre or Rum and Coke. Enjoy!